it's April 1st, somewhere around 3:30 in the afternoon. Got a little overcast. Good time to come up here and get to work. Everything's looking pretty clean here still. And the mission today is to install some permanent signs riveted. And the fact that this one here has lasted 2 or 3 weeks, I can't remember, gives me hope. So we're going to go ahead and drill and rivet some permanent ones in. Probably can't hear a word I'm saying. We'll see how like that? I hope so. I'll put it down here, they're not going to see it as well. And it's time for sign number 2. There's my masterpiece for the day. Actually, I got 2. Hopefully they won't tear those off. Those will last a while anyway. To be safe, I put one over on the other side here too. It's not perfect. It's a little bit crooked by a 1/16 of an inch. I'm a perfectionist. There she is. Hopefully that will stop dumping from here. I don't see anything. Let's keep it that way, huh? A little bit. What a beautiful river. Let's try and keep it that way. So that was my afternoon. You saw my morning cleaning my beach. The Junior Echo Warrior trip with my children downtown Corolla Beach Clean, and then install a trash can at the Balbagon waiting station there in front of the Barangay Hall. Man, this is absolutely beautiful. Let's keep it this way. Clean and green Camiguin Island. I'll be back. Nice little climb up here, fully loaded with my tools and panniers and everything. Good workout.